guys, my name is Anna Baker and I am a hand lettering and calligraphy artist with a degree in education. So welcome to my channel. Some of the things that you can expect to see on this channel are, first of all, product reviews and demos where I show you the product inside and out so that you can make an informed decision as to whether it's right for your needs. Secondly, you can expect to see tutorials with tips and teaching and techniques to get you to the next level in your hand lettering journey quicker than if you didn't know them. And thirdly, you can expect to see creative process videos where I'll show you the entire process from beginning to end result of something that I have created so that we can spend time together and hopefully learn some things along the way. So I hope you'll stick around, become part of the community by subscribing and hitting that notification bell so that you know whenever I upload a new video. I can't wait to get to know you and continue this journey together.